inside. Mangrove Park. Mangrove Garden.
Hello.
Hello, kamusta ka? So entrance fee 55. Kayaking? No, I don't kayak. Where do I have to pay? Hello.
Hello. Yes, sir.
How big is the garden? Is it big?
Yeah, 100 kilometers.
100 kilometers?
Yes,
So I need motorbike.
meters. Sir, here.
Ah, okay.
So our location is in entrance, and then we're going here. The other is the restaurant.
Just
Yeah, and then to here.
and that's
This is the open sea. Yeah.
there's a beach, yeah?
Yeah.
There's a beach, okay.
Yeah, but this is the deep area.
Okay.
Yeah, so
I will
that
have a
one,
look.
okay.
Beautiful. All natural park, yeah?
Yes.
Beautiful.
That's if you love nature, operate because the
Yeah.
mangrove in 1 year one ton of fish.
What? There are fish?
Here. Yeah.
Okay, I will have a look. I will hunt some for my lunch.
Okay.
55?
Yes, sir. And also we have restaurants.
Restaurants?
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Yeah.
But I want Halo. You have Halo?
What's the
Halo.
Ah.
I want Halo for lunch. You don't have?
You try to enter restaurants.
Okay, I will have a look.
There is also the lunch address and country. What country are you?
What are all these lists for? Why do you have these lists everywhere? Yeah, is it for statistics? Or what?
Tourism.
For what?
Tourism.
Tourism.
Because there are how many foreigner and how many Filipino and how many guests within 1 month, like that. So the tourism
You need it for you, or is it for the government?
for the government.
Oh, okay. I didn't know about this.
Total within 1 year, how many guests we have from other country, like that.
And if not enough guests coming, you have have to make more promotion. That
Yes,
more
absolutely.
tourists coming. I do promotion now
Yes.
for Bantayan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome to OMAGIECA.
Thank you very much.
Okay, enjoy.
See you later. Okay, you heard this woman. There are a lot of lists everywhere where you go in, like parks or where you have to pay a fee. There are lists. You just write your name, your country and everything. I always were curious what they are for, and she just explained me it's for like statistics, to give to the government, that they have an overview how much tourists coming in what area and everything like this. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So they have like an overview which parts are ruling and where they maybe have to do some more promotions. All right, we are in the Mangrove Garden. I am OMAGIECA. I don't know what is OMAGIECA. Is it Filipino? No. There it is. OMAGIECA Obo-ob Mangrove Garden Integrated Ecotourism Conservation Association. Now we know. Now we learned something. That's very good. Okay, here she said we have a nice restaurant. It's pretty full, yeah, because it's lunchtime. Also for me soon. But we make our way first. This way. Okay, we go this way. Oh my god, look at these trees. Crazy. How they're all grown together there. Interesting. What did she say on the beginning? 100 meters or 100 kilometers? I hope it's 100 meters. And everything is handmade here from bamboo. I have the feeling I'm the only person here. Okay, I want to see some animals. I didn't ask this woman what kind of animals I can find here. She just said something about fishes, but they are probably in the ocean, not here in the middle of the mangroves. But I will have a look. Local name. Okay, all these plants have some names, some difficult Filipinos name. And we are arriving in Camp Savi. Another name, let's see, Rhizophora mucronata. Rhizophora mucronata. It sounds Latin. Hello. Resting area. Yeah. Are here some animals anywhere? Are here animals? Animals? Are here animals in the park or no? No animals? Nowhere? Monkeys?
Only fish.
Oh, only fish, okay.
You can go up at the bamboo tower here.
Where? On this tower? Okay, I will have a look. I didn't see this.
Animals, no provide green air, sir.
No?
Not allowed
What? Animals?
animals.
Here?
Yes.
Ah, because you have to preserve everything, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, okay, I understand. Oh, we have a lookout, that's amazing. With some hearts for some couples here. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Okay, that looks pretty stable, but still a little bit shaky. Oh wow. Okay. There's a fisherman again. And this is the view all above the mangrove garden here. Pretty nice. I can see some small fishes. You can't see probably on the camera, but I can see a lot of small fishes in the water. Okay, I can see the end of the turn there. So it's 100 meters, like the woman said. Let's go down. Thank you. Salamat. See you. Okay. Yeah, that's a nice good walk to burn some fat before I have a big heavy lunch. So while we're walking, I just want to tell you a little bit where else we are going to go today. The next stop is Bantayan. There's a big plaza area with a market. I saw it 2 days ago when I was in this town, but I didn't shoot some videos because I got a little bit sick. I got tonsillitis the last 2 days, and I was laying down with some fever and everything, antibiotics. I had to rest a little bit. But this town was pretty busy, just locals around there. And I hope this market is open today, because today is public holiday, like I said before. And yeah, having looked for lunch there. And after this, we are going to the east coast, northeast, yes, east coast of the country, of the island, and we are going to a lagoon where you can usually do also a boat tour, which I will organize for tomorrow, to do a boat tour through the lagoon. But today, later, we can have a look from the outside a little bit to see what we can expect on tomorrow's journey on the boat. And now let's enjoy this jungle feeling here. It's a little bit different vibe now. So interesting why these trees have so much roots. What is the reason for this? Can someone answer this question? Because they need so much water, maybe, to suck in? Okay, we're coming to traffic now. I hope I can skip them, because I'm a fast walker. I have strong legs, so. Oh, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? All right, we're coming to the end. All right, guys. So this was a pretty nice walk. Interesting nature. Only here in the Philippines. And it's time to find some halo for my stomach. We see us on the food market again.